This Play-Doh space set has been such a hit in our house, especially because my son is obsessed with space and Play-Doh. The space theme immediately grabbed his attention, and he couldn't wait to start creating his own little space world. This is a really complete set. It comes with a rocket, UFO, astronaut, alien, and robot molds, plus fun pieces like a robot car and a single-wheel robot, along with tools and 4 colors of Play-Doh. There are so many different ways my son plays with this, whether he's pressing dough into molds, building planets or rockets, or pretending to land on different planets in the solar system. What I really love is that it's not just fun, but it's also educational. While he's playing, he's working on fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, color and shape recognition, and using a ton of imagination. My son can play independently or sit and create with me, which I love. It's been a great way for us to talk about space and the solar system together while he plays. The dough itself is soft and non-toxic and not sticky, and it holds up well for repeated use. This set keeps him busy for long stretches, and it's a great screen-free activity. If you have a child who loves space, sensory play, and Play-Doh, this is such a fun and creative option, and it also makes an excellent gift to give someone.